In here about utilization is the method, the way and the process to organize the raw material become semi-finished good or become the finished good. Yeah, yeah, it's important for our country Indonesia because in a few years ago, Indonesia uh, often export the raw material to other country, and it give a little profit for our country. Yeah, when our country can manage the raw material become the finished good or semi-finished good, it will give the higher profit to our country. Yeah, so it can increase the salary or the dividend in our country. Yeah, the reality that is applicable about the utilization is the building about the smelter in in, in Indonesia, especially for the nickel. Yeah, Indonesia try to what yeah to organize the nickel into the battery. Yeah, so Indonesia can produce the battery. Yeah, and when Indonesia stop the export of the nickel as the raw material, many other countries complain about this. Yeah, but when Indonesia continue the export of the nickel, yeah, Indonesia will not get the profit. Yeah, so sometimes it can become the problem to other countries like Europe that usually they produce batteries. Uh, yeah, yeah. I think just that from me. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I have another question actually about utilization. Okay.
Uh, I have yes.
So please follow the.
Okay. Although yeah, talking about the material nickel that you mentioned before,
Mm.
there's a lot of conflict there when or dilemma there when Indonesia want to produce the battery using our nickel, but a lot of another country didn't agree with that because that is their part or their role to produce the battery. So okay, how bad it is when let's say our government say that okay, we don't have to export it to another country. We only build it for our our company or ourselves. How bad it is from your perspective in Indonesia, because you said that there's a lot of conflict there when we want to produce the battery.
Yeah. How bad is it about the using of the nickel to produce the electricity in our country? Uh, Actually, the bad uh, is come to the other country because the other country need our source apa sumber daya alam ya. They need yeah yeah they need our resources to organize them into the electricity. And yeah, they don't get uh, the raw material, so other country will be difficult to organize it. Yeah, but in other side, the bad of our country, because our country still don't have apa ya, the good developing of this. Yeah, we still learn from the other country about this, about to manage from the nickel into the electricity. Yeah, we still need to adapt the technology from the modern country. And when we take their technology, or apa, uh, when we take or imitate the technology, yeah, it will can become the conflict, yeah, for uh, for our country too. Yeah, I think about that.
Okay.
Okay, Aldo.
Any other follow? Okay. So Ami, check.
Yeah, I miss. Um.
Are you sleepy,
Uh.
Ami?
Ah.
Are you
I
sleepy?
I still thinking about the questions. Give me a second. Um. Oh, Aldo, when we start to produce the nickels or we want to export the nickels, do you think it's the good things for Indonesia, or Indonesia it's not ready for doing that?
Yeah, okay. For me, about the using of the chemical, uh, Indonesia has to start it, has to start to use the nickel to produce the electricity. Yeah, because in the next, but yeah, in the future, it means in the future we need so many electricity. Yeah, and our our food will convert or change into electricity. So we need uh, we need higher power of the electricity. So yeah, if we don't get started to build the industrial like this, like to organize the nickel into the electricity like this, yeah, we will not get the power so high, yeah, to become the source energy of electricity. Yeah.
Okay. And my second questions is, in your statement you said nickel is one of the supplies of electricity.
Yeah.
I think in these situations, like no. I mean like, I sure nickels is the one of another supplies of electricity, or nickels is one of mediums to keep the electricity. Like, maybe we can produce the electricity by from like our natural resources like coal, charcoals. Batu bara charcoals ya, bukan ya?
Yeah, charcoal.
With
Yeah, charcoal.
charcoals from charcoals,
Yeah.
and then when the electricity transfers into a device, in the device it will be good when we have a nickels like components on it, because nickels have like more apa ya, bisa menampung dan menghantarkan daya dengan lebih baik.
Store and transmit. Store and transmit.
Store and transmit the electricity efficiently rather than others materials. Or nickels can produce the electricity. If the nickels can produce the electricity, what kinds of the like the process or the process to produce the electricity from nickels? Because by charcoals, we exactly know how to process the electricity. Or in the other hands, maybe like when we use sunlight resources, we already know the apa sih, the process how to transfer the sunlight into electricities by using like a transmitters. Yeah, transmitters. Transmitters. I forgot the names.
Yeah, transmitter. Not Tor, but Ter. Transmitter.
Yeah, transmitter. So maybe you can explain it to me.
Yeah. For the no situation, yeah. With the majority, we still use the charcoal as the device, and we add the nickel to increase the good conductor. Yeah. Yeah. To increase apa? Daya hantar ya, like we said before. But in here, I hope Indonesia can use the nickel, yeah, to produce the electricity, yeah. Because when we can use the nickel, I hope it can add the power the electricity. Yeah, but for the process you asked to me, actually I still don't read too much about that. Yeah, I have to review it again, yeah, about the process of using the nickel to become the electricity.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because if I'm not mistaken, nickel is like metal, right?
Yeah,
Not
metal.
yeah. If we, I think it will be good as a transistor, like a
Yeah.
conductors, not to produce the electricity. Maybe it's one of the components of like maybe it just my opinions. I think the nickels in here is used in the device, or in storage for being a good electricity conductor, not to produce. Yeah, like for example, when we use the solar panel, and then there is a transmitters on the top of our rooftop, and the top of our roof, and then in the device, I think the materials, it will be good if we use like nickel for the electricity storage. Maybe it's just my opinion. or in another examples, as simple as battery. It will be good if we use nickel's components on the battery because it will keep the power, the electricity powers longer and efficient. Yeah, it's just my
Yeah.
opinion.
Yeah, I think a mix is true. Yeah. For now, yeah, we still use the nickel become the conductor. Yeah, because there are some like we can say like apa pengantar ya.
Yeah,
Yeah, pengantar like that to apa flow the electricity mengalirkan listrik and we need the pengantar. Yeah.
The
yeah,
transmitter.
Yeah, it's
yeah,
right. Yeah, it's right actually. Yeah, for the nose this situation, yeah, we still use this. Yeah,
yeah.
but
Because if,
for yeah,
but for
sorry.
no, no, no.
Yeah, for the future, yeah, yeah, it just the harapan ya, the wish, yeah, can develop it become the electricity. Actually, when you ask me about the process, actually I still don't know because I don't review too much about it. Yeah, and I think I will review it later after this.
Yeah, because I still
Mhm,
guessing.
mhm,
Like for example, like charcoals, we know exactly know how to make it into electricity. We
mhm,
can burn it and we utilize the apa sih, the panas yang dihasilkan,
mhm,
uap yang dihasilkan,
Evaporate.
the evaporate
Evaporation. Mhm.
into electricities. And then in other examples, maybe for sunlight, we absorb the sunlight and then we transfer it um into electricity. And then for example, maybe the kincir angin, we use the mechanic apa sih?
yeah,
Yeah,
Inter-
use the wind atau menggerakkan apa mekanik what
yeah,
we can
to
say
to to move, yeah, to make the machines
yeah,
um
yeah,
bergerak gitu.
yeah. And
Turbine.
from mechanic it can produce the electricity. Yeah,
Yeah, and then
yeah, like
I'm
that.
just curious about the nickel.
Yeah,
Okay. All right. Okay. Aldo, I'd like to ask you, but there's going to be in a wider perspective, not the nickel, but also this one. If you talk about helicization that you mentioned before, the transformation or the mechanism of the process from the raw material to be a semi or post product or goods. If you take a look, Nicole, it might be hard. We can imagine, I mean, like accelerating to maybe like intermediate or a low low markets. But what about this one, like perfume? That I know that Indonesia exports a lot of patchouli leaves or daun nilam. Okay, that I know because most of like international brand like expensive perfume content with it. And as we take a look from our natural resources, we actually have a lot of resources that we can utilize and maximize to be product. According to you here, how important the healizations, okay, to be sponsored or to be promoted to the Indonesians so they can take a look the raw material within different perspective to be generated into a post or semi-product. How important the healization is from any other raw materials.
yeah. The important to do the helirization from the material because Indonesia is very rich of the uh, what ya natural resources. Yeah, Indonesia is very rich of the natural resources. Yeah, and it will be better if we can do the research to explore the utility pemanfaatan of the natural resource, some natural resource. What is the application? Yeah, after we find the research, yeah, we just make the calculation. Is it sorry? Can it applicable? Can we apply this technology or this innovation into big scale? Yeah, if it cannot apply to big scale, the research cannot continue. Yeah, if the raw material or the natural resource can be applicable for the big scale, yeah, we can continue it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And from
Yeah,
here, yeah, we can find the innovation.